Welcome. If you're looking to leave a group chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want to tidy up your inbox or simply step away from a conversation, the process is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through each step together so you can exit any group chat with ease. First, open your web browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your messages and conversations. Once you're on the main page, look to the left-hand side of your screen and find the Messages icon. Click on it to open up your direct messages. Here you'll see a list of all your ongoing chats, including both private and group conversations. Scroll through your messages and select the group chat you want to leave. Simply click on the conversation to open it. You'll now be inside the group, able to see all recent messages and participants. Next, look towards the top right corner of the group chat window. You'll see a small info icon, usually represented by a lowercase I inside a circle. Click on this icon to access the group's details and settings. Within the group info panel, you'll find several options. Look for the one labeled Leave. Click on Leave, and a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. This step is important, as it prevents accidental exits from group chats. Go ahead and confirm that you want to leave the group. Once you do, you'll be immediately removed from the conversation. You won't receive any more messages from that group, and it will disappear from your inbox. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily leave any group chat on X using your PC, keeping your messages organized and your conversations relevant to you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a clutter-free messaging experience on X.